Okay guys, so welcome sa video natin. Today, we're going to talk about yung sa mga example sa mga Shopify website. Okay, so of course, ang ating first example is yung ating website, no? Ang ating sariling website sa Home-Based Connect. Ang homebasedconnect.com guys, or yung website natin sa Home-Based Connect is gumagamit ako ng shopify.com. No, ito yung ginamit ko ng platform. Hindi po WordPress ang ginamit ko, kung hindi it's a Shopify na website. As you can see here, dito sa ating screen, no, marami siyang mga pakulo. Pero this is not actually the free na parang Shopify na template na ginamit ko. This is actually a much expensive one na ginamit ko. Pero I'm going to talk about that later no, sa mga videos natin. So right now, we're just going to look for some websites na gumagamit ng isang Shopify na website. Okay? So the next one, the first one is ito yung website. No? Pumunta ako dito sa 50 best Shopify stores na pwedeng maging inspiration natin. Actually guys, these websites here are made from a Shopify website, no, shopify.com. No, may iba kasi may WordPress. Sa atin ngayon, ang ituro ko sa atin ngayon guys is yung Shopify. So if you're going to click that one here, no, sa ating i-open natin into new tab, makikita natin na ang store na to, which is I think they are located in Canada kasi may Canada nakalagay dyan. This website is using a Shopify na website, no? As you can see guys, ang yung Shopify is more on doon sa mga e-commerce or yung mga nagbebenta talaga ng mga products or service, no? Ito yung that's the good thing about the Shopify. Though ang WordPress is meron din silang parang e-commerce, yung tinatawag nila na WooCommerce na plugin. Pero I find it really easy to make an e-commerce website dito sa ating Shopify. That's why sa Home-Based Connect, nung naisipan ko talaga na gumawa ng website, wala talaga akong nakitang option kundi ang gamitin yung Shopify. Kasi it's really easy, friendly user, and later on, malalaman din natin how we're going to make this no step by step. Okay, so this is a Shopify website, package free, yan sila guys. You can go here, no? Type nyo lang sa Google, best Shopify stores for inspiration. So, this one, All Birds, is if mahilig kayo sa sapatos guys, if mahilig kayo sa mga ganyan, mga, any design, or if mahilig talaga kayo sa mga brands or whatever thing na nahiling nyo or na gusto niyo magbenta, shopify.com is a very nice place. Is a highly recommended na website kung saan pwede kayong gumawa ng website no out from shopify.com. So ito yun guys, example. And as you can see, very friendly yung mga websites nila. And so punta lang kayo dito sa Google and then type nyo lang dito yung mga different na Shopify na mga websites, okay? Then let's proceed now to the other one na gusto kong ipakita sa inyo guys, and also is a promotion na lang din. Actually, ang family ko, meron kaming partnership with my family, ako, mama ko, and yung mga kapatid ko, and we have this website. Ito yung tinatawag natin na yung website na Snapteria Journals, no? Snapteriajournals.com. Basically, ang binibenta namin dito guys is, which is yung mga product namin dito, promotion na rin guys ha. Sorry kasi kailangan ko itong igawa na example kasi yung ginagamit ko na website dito guys is actually a Shopify store, no? Shopify.com. Kasi nga tayo dito is we are living in a digital world. Hindi natin makita talaga yung mga pictures ng mga kids natin physically. That's why yung ate ko talaga, yung the brain behind this business is my ate. She's our manager. She's the one who is managing this whole Snapteria business, and yun, no? So yeah, this is an example of a Shopify website. Very clean, very nice, very simple. And the good thing about this is ginawa ko lang din to sa Shopify. And since nandito na rin tayo sa Shopify guys, I'd like to invite you, if you want to buy dito sa ating dito sa aming product na Snapteria journals or mga journals for kids or whatever journal na need nyo from this website, you can basically go here sa snapteriajournals.com, and if you are a student and if you want to buy, you can actually get 5% discount, no, 5% off if you're going to use my code. No, it's HBC5. That means upon checkout, example, bilihin to nyo tong product na to or whatever product. So checkout, may nakalagay dyan after signing up your name and your parang payment method, your shipping details. After that, may nakalagay doon na discount code. Pwede nyo ilagay doon HBC5 to get an additional 5% dito sa mga book journals namin or sa lahat ng mga products natin dito. Anyway guys, enough this promotion. What I'm just telling you guys is that itong website na to is ginawa ko rin sa Shopify. Okay, next, yung Home-Based Connect, no? Home-Based Connect is, ito yung website na ginawa ko, guys, like a year ago. And this is actually a Shopify website as well, no? Ginawa ko to sa Shopify. So, yeah, later, I'm going to parang talk about something about this website. Yun, okay, so I think ngayon nalalaman natin kung ano ba yung mga example ng mga different Shopify website na example. So next video natin is we are going to talk about what is a Shopify website. Alright, so thank you for watching this video, guys, and see you sa next video natin. God bless.